Assalamu alaikum dear students, let's discuss about dividing complex number. When you want to divide two complex numbers, set up the problem as a fraction. For example, to find the solution of under bracket 4 plus 3i divided by under bracket 2 minus 2i. Set up the problems as follows. Under bracket 4 plus 3i divided by 2 minus 2i. The conjugate of a complex number is a useful tool, simply created by changing the sign in the middle of the complex number. Thus, the conjugate of under bracket a plus bi is under bracket a minus bi. The conjugate of under bracket 2 minus 3i is under bracket 2 plus 3i. Whenever you multiply by fractions whose numerator and denominator are identical, the value is just 1. This is a useful tool for simplifying complex number, particularly for division problems. To set up the example, under bracket 4 plus 3i divided by 2 minus 2i as follows. Under bracket 4 plus 3i divided by 2 minus 2i multiply 2 plus 2i divided by under bracket 2 plus 2i. Then multiply the numerator and denominator and simplify as follows. While we multiply numerator with each other and denominator with each other, we will apply FOIL rule. After applying the FOIL rule, we will get the product of 8 plus 8i plus 6i plus 6i squared divided by 4 plus 4i minus 4i minus 4i squared. Notice in the second step above, the denominator contains a term plus 4i and minus 4i. These will cancel each other out. This will also happen as a result of multiplying by the conjugate. The imaginary term of the denominator should always cancel and disappears. While we will add both of the imaginary number like 8i and 6i with each other, the answer will be 14i plus, and recognize I square represents minus 1. We will multiply 6 with minus 1. The answer will be minus 6. So the next product will be 8 plus 14i minus 6 divided by, if we multiply 4 minus 4 with minus 1, the answer will be plus 4. Now we will minus the real number 6 from the real number of 8. The answer will be 2 plus 14i divided by 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Now recognize that the single denominator applies equally to both portions of the numerator. Split the numerator apart to create a standard complex number like 2 divided 8 plus 14i divided by 8 equal to, if we cut both of these numbers with number 2, the answer will be 1 divided by 4 plus 7i divided by 4. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.